Hello everybody. In today's video we'll be discussing this set which is based on time in work. At times you'll find sets based on quant topics like averages. Sets are very common time in work, maybe on numbers, right? So if your quant is also strong, it helps in LRDI. So let's start reading this set. So it says the Fab 4. So these are the Fab 4, that is Tinky Winky, Oswald, Dipsy and Winnie, were required to complete two tasks. Task 1 consists of work A, that is followed by work C immediately. Okay. So I have got a task 1 which is first work A and then work C. Further, task 2 consists of work B followed by work C immediately. Okay. So task 2 consists of work B followed by work C immediately. Task 1 is taken by Tinky Winky and Dipsy, while task 2 is taken by the remaining two. Okay. So task 1 has been taken by Tinky Winky and Dipsy, and this has been taken by Oswald and Winnie, the remaining two. Okay. Work C needs to be done separately for each task. Okay. The table given below gives the days required by a worker to complete the task. So the table denotes how many days these people take to complete the task. Now, further it says the following information is given about the working schedule. All of them start together and on the same day and the same time. Okay. Winnie works for 2 days, takes rest on the third day and repeats the routine. Fine. Tinky Winky and Dipsy, यहाँ पे गलती से मिसटाइप हो गया था Oswald, so मैंने इसको चेंज कर दिया है. Tinky Winky and Dipsy work for 2 days together, after which Dipsy takes rest for 1 day and then Tinky Winky takes rest for the next day and the routine continues. ठीक है. So I know this information. So let's come to the questions now straight away. So the first question says how many days are required to complete task 1. चलो देख लेते हैं. So task 1 में मेरे पास कौन कौन सा वर्क है? I have got work A and work C. Okay. So let's first talk about work A. Work A. So Tinky Winky takes exactly 12 days to complete work A, and Dipsy takes exactly 10 days to complete work A. So if I take the LCM of 12 and 10, I can say it is 60 units. So the total work, let's say, is nothing but 60 units. So per day, Tinky Winky will do 5 units and Dipsy will do, I can say, 6 units. And if both of them are working together, in 1 day they will do 11 units. Now, let's start. Let's start with the completion of work A first. Okay? So day 1 both of them are working, so I can say 11 units of work is done. Day 2 both of them are working, again 11 units of work will be done. Why? Because it says no, all of them start together and on the same day and the same time. Now this condition, Tinky Winky and Dipsy work for 2 days, after which Dipsy takes rest for 1 day. Okay, so day 3, अब दोनों ने 2 दिन काम कर लिया साथ में. So day 3 only Tinky Winky is working. So Tinky Winky does 5 units in 1 day. So day 3 पे सिर्फ 5 units work होगा, and I can say Tinky Winky is working. Day 4, what will happen? And Tinky Winky takes rest for the next day and the routine continues. ठीक है. So Tinky Winky takes rest on this day. So is then day 4 पे 6 units होगा and Dipsy is working. Okay. Then day 5 again 11, day 6 again 11. अभी देख लो कितना काम हो गया. Total work needs to be done is 60 units. So 11 4 is 44, 6 50 55. 55 हो गया. So I can say day 7 5 units will be done by Tinky Winky. Why? Because Dipsy will be on rest this day and the work A is finished. ठीक है. Now for work C. Work C के लिए Tinky Winky and Dipsy, let's say how many days do they take each of them. So Tinky Winky takes for work C 10 days and Dipsy takes 8 days. ठीक है. So Tinky Winky is taking 10 days and Dipsy is taking 8 days. So LCM is nothing but, I can say, 40. So total work that needs to be done is 40 units. So Tinky Winky does 4 units in 1 day and Dipsy does, I can say, 5 units in 1 day. And if they are working together, they will do 9 units in 1 day. Now Let's move ahead. Remember, most of people make a very common mistake, वो day 1 पे आ जाते हैं. Remember this task 1, first work A is finished and it is followed by work C immediately. What does that mean? अब day 8 पे आएंगे हम सीधे, ठीक है. So this is a common mistake which people make. They tend to make this mistake. तो ये mistake नहीं करनी है. Task 1 comprises of 2 works that need to be done, that is work A and work C. Okay, so day 8, both of them will work and do 9 units. Then day 9 again they will do 9 units. After that on day 10 only Tinky Winky will work and Tinky Winky will do 4 units. ठीक है, this is for day 10. Day 11 only Dipsy will work and Dipsy will do nothing but, I can say she does 5 units in one day, so I can say 5. Then day 12 both of them will do 9 units. कितने units हो गए अभी तक? 9 3 27, 27 plus 4 is 31 plus 5 is 36, and day 13 पे the work will be finished. Okay, so total number of days to finish the task 1 is nothing but, I can say 13 days. So the correct answer for question number 1 is nothing but 13 days. Now if you look at question number 3, this question, on the days when he does not rest, Dipsy is present on the site. Okay, how many days was Dipsy actually present on the site while completing task 1? So Dipsy ने कितने दिन काम किया? We need to see. So let's see Dipsy ने कितने दिन काम नहीं किया. So Dipsy has not worked on day 3. यहाँ पे नहीं काम किया. She has not worked on day 7 and she has also not worked on day 10. Rest all the days Dipsy has worked. So I can say out of 13 days Dipsy has not worked for 3 days. So that means Dipsy has worked for 10 days. Similarly you can find for task 2 as well. ठीक है, so same questions. I'm not solving the remaining 2 questions. I hope you have understood the approach, so which is important. So I'll keep it till here. Thank you.